Hey guys, what's going on? Chef Nathan Lippy here from Blackstone. I'm out here in California with WesterWood to show you guys some delicious, amazing recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a smoky Churrasco steak frite. It is unbelievable, totally restaurant worthy, but it's in your backyard. And the best part is it's really, really easy to do. Let me show you how to make it. Now the first thing we're gonna do is get to our steak. Today I'm using skirt steak. Now skirt steak is loaded with flavor, but we kinda gotta be a little tender with it, so we're adding some smoke. Now this isn't a traditional smoker or charcoal grill setup, right? We're using our flat top. So we wanna elevate the steak by using our little cooling rack. So we're gonna lift the steak up and then add some smoke. Now speaking of smoke, today I have my WesterWood hickory chips. Now these things are gorgeous and beautiful, and we're gonna play with it just a little bit because we're not on a smoker. So what I have on my griddle over here, I'm gonna set my left side over to high heat. Now I'm gonna add my wood chips right to the back, and we're gonna close the lid. Now we're gonna let this go for about 15, 20 minutes or so. You'll notice that smoke starts to get nice and billowy, that wonderful aroma starts to happen. Unbelievable. The other side of my griddle I have set to low. Now we don't want direct heat because we're smoking, so we kinda want that low and slow. So I'm gonna use my cooling rack on the cool side of my griddle. I'm gonna put my skirt steaks right on top of that cooling rack. Now we're gonna close the lid and let that smoke for 15 or 20 minutes. We want that WesterWood to fill our space and flavor our steaks beautifully. Now let's get to our French fries. French fries are really simple. You can cut them the way you like. Definitely, I would suggest use russet potatoes. Then we're gonna take these and give them a kind of a wide julienne. All right, let's let those soak for about 20 minutes or so. Now while those soak and our steaks smoke, let's talk about chimichurri. Now chimichurri is loaded with flavor and it's really simple. It sounds complicated, don't worry, it's simple. We're gonna take some cilantro and some parsley. And we're gonna chop these up pretty small, basically the same shape, and we're gonna add those to our little mixing bowl. Just go ahead and chop all of that up together, nice and small, and into the bowl. Now we're gonna take some fresh lime. I'm gonna add about 2 or 3 to this amount. I'm gonna squeeze that in there. We want that beautiful sweetness and that acidity. Orange juice, olive oil. We're also gonna add just a bit of salt and pepper and some red pepper flake. Give that all a stir. Now this last little bit I like to add is smashed garlic. So we're gonna take our whole garlic cloves and we're gonna smash them nice and flat and let them sit in our marinade. Then we're gonna cook them on the griddle later. They're unbelievable, crazy, crazy good. Smashing it really releases a lot of those oils, gives us a little bit more surface area. We're gonna add a ton of flavor to our steaks. Now let's let that sit for 5-10 minutes or so. Our steaks are almost done. All right, let's drop the fries. Now I like to have my oil at about 365 degrees. I'm using vegetable oil. I'm gonna take my French fries. I like to use tongs as well. We're gonna go right down into our hot oil. Our French fries are almost done. I think it's time to get to our direct searing power of the Blackstone. So let's check out our steaks. There we go. Those are looking smoky and beautiful. Here we go. Now we're gonna take some of that beautiful chimichurri. We're gonna add it right over the top. Now we can actually take a few of those pieces of garlic and let those start to get caramelized right there on the flat top. This adds a whole another beautiful layer of flavor to the garlic. Now this doesn't take too long at all because our griddle is going so hot. We're gonna give this a flip. Look at that beautiful Maillard reaction, that caramelization. It's absolutely stunning. Let's go with a little bit more of our chimichurri sauce over the top. All right, these fries are looking fantastic and golden. That is unbelievable, my friends. Look at that. Also salt and pepper, easy peasy. Give them a shake. Crispy, beautiful French fries. Guys, it is time to plate. We are all finished. Let's grab these beautiful steaks and see how we did. Next one right on top of it, I'm gonna take some of that beautiful garlic. My friends, so easy, so simple. We've got our gorgeous crispy fries. Oh, all day long, you can't go wrong, my friends. Look at that. We gotta give this a try. Whoa, crazy, crazy good. I hope you guys love that recipe as much as I do. This is always a crowd pleaser whenever I make it at home. I'm sure it will be when you make it at home. If you want this recipe, check it out on the website. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I will see you guys in the next video.